Hey friends, what I'm getting ready to do right now is very uncomfortable for me, but it's part of the process. I'm asking you to order my product. Right now I have some t-shirts that I would love for you to try. Welcome to the Conversation t-shirts. Know your why, feel your passion. And of course, destiny doesn't chase, it chooses. Those t-shirts are now available on Amazon. And as many of you all know, I have over 16 journals for you to order. Friends, I would love nothing more than to have you tell me, extra, I got your t-shirt, man. I got one of your journals, man. But even if you don't do any, as I said, man, I'm uncomfortable doing this thing here, right here. Thank you all so much for supporting me, for watching my videos, and all of that great stuff. Thank you so very much. I will see you in the next video.
In a world full of noise, one voice steps forward with truth. This is Larry Extraordinaire Moten. Welcome to The Conversation.
You know, sometimes the work we do, you'll never see. The work we do when we're tired. The work we do when we're hurting. The work we sometimes do when we're just trying to figure things out. We're trying to figure out who we are and who we are becoming. Pull up and come closer. And let's have a conversation about all of that and more. You know, people celebrate the results. They celebrate the comeback. They celebrate the transformation. But they never see the nights you sit in silence trying to understand your own heart. They never see the morning you force yourself out of bed when your spirit felt just so heavy. They never see the conversation you had with yourself just to keep going. The quiet work is slow and it's uncomfortable, but it's sacred. It's the part of your life nobody ever claps for, the part nobody posts about. It's the part nobody even knows you're walking through. It's the long nights when you sit with your own thoughts and just trying to make some sense of what broke you. It's the morning when you drag yourself out of bed, even when your spirit feels heavy. It's the conversation you have with yourself when you're trying to decide if you're going to give up or keep going. The quiet work is slow, it's uncomfortable, but it's sacred. The quiet work is where you learn to tell the truth about your pain. It's where you stop pretending you're fine. It's where you face the habits that keep you hurting. It's where you finally admit what you want and what you can't carry anymore. It's where you start revealing the parts of you that life tried to take. Instead, they see the results. They see the strength. They see the confidence. They see the healing, they see the growth, but they never see the nights you cry. Man, they never see the moment you almost quit. And they never see the private battles you fought just to stand back up. That's why the quiet work is so sacred. Because it's yours. It's you. It's who you are, man. It's personal. It's the place where you meet yourself again and again and again, and you try to figure yourself out. It's the place where you try to figure out who you are and who you are becoming. The quiet work is slow. It's uncomfortable, but it's sacred. So keep doing the work nobody sees. Because one day, they will see the results, and you'll know exactly where it came from. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for your support. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.